Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I reorganized my kitchen sink cabinet with just a $20 piece from Target. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is clear out everything. Seems like a tedious job, but you definitely want to see what you have. I learned that I had unnecessary items like extra plastic bags from the grocery store and extra Swiffer duster holder thingies. I don't even know why. I had a box of them. It was ridiculous. So definitely clear out your cabinet. So now the cabinet is clear. I'm going to hook up this cord. I'm so sure everyone has the garbage disposal and all the plumbing and the pipes, etc. running through your cabinet. So it makes the space a little bit awkward, but really the point of this video is to show you how to utilize height in your cabinets. A lot of under sink cabinets do not have additional shelves, so you definitely want to take advantage of the height, and the simple storage piece from Target that you'll see shortly is the best option. You also see one in my bathroom sink when I show you that at the end of the video. That piece is actually from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I'm sure I'll repeat that later. But right now I'm filling up this soap dispenser. I will point out that you should not do this if you are building a house. If you are redesigning your kitchen, do not do this. No grown adult wants to get on their knees however many times a year to clear out the bottom of their cabinet only to put soap in the soap dispenser from the countertop. It was absolutely stupid. But I filled it up because I was already down here, and since it's just me, this is only the second time I filled it up, I believe. But yeah, it's stupid, and I probably won't be filling it up again, so I'll just enjoy it for the moment. Now that that's done, I'm going to take some Bona floor cleaner and just clean under the cabinet. I do have the one for laminate here, and then I also have one for hardwood floors. But Bona is really great for just cleaning your floors in general. And I also took the vacuum because I found some debris, some leftover wood pieces in the back from when the holes were put in for the plumbing. And here is the piece from Target. It is $20, and it's going to help me take advantage of the height in my space and just better organize the items that I have under my sink. I also want to note that you should line your cabinets. I couldn't find mine at the time, and I know I had given some away to friends and family who had also moved. So it's something I would recommend doing, especially if you have that stupid soap dispenser thing. It may leak. As you saw, it dripped the whole time while I was trying to fill up the bottle. Again, another reason not to do that in your home renovation. But definitely line. I have my drawers lined in my bathroom and my kitchens, and I strongly recommend it. It just makes it easier to clean, especially if you have a spit. I'm also just going through to see what fits where and determining what the best setup is for how I live in my house. I don't use my dishwasher often, but I did make sure I had good stock of dishwasher tabs before I moved, and I want to make sure that they are kept by the sink and accessible. I'm also showing you that you can put some fairly good sized bottles, spray bottles, in this tray from Target. The granite cleaner from Method fit perfectly. The Bona actually fits as well, but the larger container that I dispense some of the floor cleaner into does not fit. So I put it in the back, and I organized this in a way that made sense to me. My floor cleaners are in the back. My countertop cleaners are in the bottom shelf here. And then anything for my appliances, cleaning my electric stove top, my stainless steel, all of that is in the top of this tray table. And now everything has a place. It's easily accessible. I can see it, and I know exactly what I have. I also want to note that I like to decant my dishwashing tabs into a thrifted glass jar. It's just easier. I can just pop the top off and then put a tab into my dishwasher. And here I'm taking a command strip. Please do not underestimate the greatness of command strips. I've used them in my apartment all over the place. They're super renter friendly, and I definitely am using them in my house. But as far as under cabinet storage is concerned, they're great. This is going to hold my bottle cleaners that I have. I believe in the previous photo I had just stuck them into my bucket from the Grove. But honestly, it's better to have them hanging, and that way I can just reach for it when I go to clean a straw or clean the rim of one of my drinking bottles. I also have a command strip that clips to hold my gloves after they've dried. Of course, here they're soaking wet, but I wanted you to see that it actually does work. But once they're dry, usually at the end of the day, I will put them under the sink. And now we're at the bathroom sink. I'm just doing a small bit of organization here. I already have a tray from Bed Bath & Beyond in there, a two-tiered tray to hold my bottles. At the top and on the bottom, I believe I have sponges, extra gloves, and other scrubbing utensils and cleaning rags for the bathroom. But these command hooks are my new favorite. They actually hold your bottles, cleaning bottles. I'm going to put some water on here that I use to spritz my plants, delicate creatures, believe me. So they like a little spritz every now and again, especially the queen palm. And then I also have some spider repellent that I made with lavender essential oil and mint essential oil, or eucalyptus mint essential oil. And I just added some water to it. And these bottles are actually from Target when you see them. relatively heavy because they're glass. They're from the dollar spot, and the command strips have held up really well so far. It's been a few days after I've recorded this, of course, but they do just fine on the doors. They don't move too much, they don't swing around, they haven't fallen off. I really am quite happy I discovered these. I want to thank Brittany Vassar. She's a famous YouTuber. She did a whole video on organization and command strips. And these were a set of command strips I had not really heard of or even utilized. So I put them to work in my bathroom and they are great. I strongly recommend them, and I will link them down below. And again, take advantage of height, take advantage of your doors if you have a lot of items or a lot of cleaning supplies, or maybe you don't have a lot of space at all. Using your door with the command strips is a great option, and the same with the two-tiered trays. It really just frees up space. I freed up enough space to have an empty drawer in my bathroom. It didn't stay empty long because I like stuff, but nonetheless, I made room for more stuff, right? That's a good thing. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one.